Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you are going to be learning SMC strategy, which is breakout and retest. Perfect time frame for this strategy is 1 hour or 4 hours time frame, 5 or 15 minutes for your entry. Checklist for this strategy is: number 1, change of character, break up to 2 low or highs, fair value gap, order block, where to enter the market, where to set your stop loss, and where to take profit. Everything will be explained in details in this video. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe. Don't forget to like and comment. On my screen right now, we have a bullish trend. But that form a break of structure. We have a bullish trend that form a break of structure. But right here, the trade reverse and form something here that is M pattern, which creates from our checklist, which creates change of character right here, which creates this low. The market break this low, that to create a change of character, telling traders that the market is no longer bullish, is now bearish. So how can you enter trade with this opportunity to catch, to trade profitable? So we have got one of our checklists, which is change of character. The second on our checklist for confirmation is break up to 2 low or high. We have 2 low here. These are first low. This is the second low. As we can see here, the trade reverse and break the first low and the second low. Number 2. The third confirmation is to get your order block right here. I'm going to get your order block right here. Order block, fair value gap. Sorry, number 3 is fair value gap. You are going to get your fair value gap right here. So the fourth confirmation is order block. You are going to get your order block right here. Fair value gap close to the order block. So after you get your fair value gap and order block, so let's wait for the trade to reverse and enter your fair value gap and touch your order block. This is when you need 5 or 15 minutes time frame for your entry confirmation. Right here, you are going to your 15 minute or 5 minute time frame, you have to identify your change of character. Something like this. Change of character. So you have to get change of character in 5 minutes time frame or 15 minutes time frame like this for your trade confirmation and for your entry. Once the trade break out the structure, just enter right here. So after enter the trade, you are going to set your take profit. You are going to enter the trade maybe somewhere here after you have confirmed your entry on 5 minutes time frame. So enter your entry here, set your stop loss above the higher high after getting your change of character. So then you take profit at the last low right here. So this is how to trade breakout and retest. So let me explain with market real charts. So right here you can see the market was bullish, which found change of character right here. So the market will keep buying right here, reverse back, and you can see. So right here the market break out structure, which creates a change of character right here, Let me leave. So on our checklist, what do we have? We have break up to 2 lows. This is our first low and this is our second low. The market break the 2 lows. So the third confirmation is our fair value gap. This is our fair value gap right here. So this is our order block. So right here, once the market enter your fair value gap, and just go to your 15 or 5 minutes time frame, or enter the trade with your 30 or 1 hour time frame. Just enter the trade or wait in 5 minutes time frame to get a change of character and sell. Maybe after getting change of character here, put your stop loss above the last high and you take profit at the last low right here. So I hope you are learning and getting this strategy, breakout and retest strategy. So practice with your demo account don't forget to subscribe on my channel